कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। श्री गीता ध्यानम्। ॐ पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणं मध्ये महाभारतम् अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायीं अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणी नमोऽस्तुते
व्यासविशालबुद्धे
व्यासविष्टाय भद्रनेत्रा येन त्वया भारततल्यपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयप्रदीपः प्रपन्नपारिजाताय स्तोत्रवैदिकपाणये ज्ञानमुद्राय कृष्णाय गीतामृतदुहे नमः। सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः आर्तो
आर्तुवत्सत्तु दीर्घो
दुग्धं गीतामृतं
वसुदेवसुतं
वसुदेवसुतं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं भीष्मद्रोणतथा जयद्रथतला गान्धारनीलोत्पला शल्यग्राहवतीकृतेन कर्णेन वेलाकुला अश्वत्थामविकर्णघोरमकरा दुर्योधनावर्तिनी कीर्णा खलु पाण्डवैरननदी कैवर्तककेशवः आराशर्यवचः सरोजममलं गीतार्थगन्धोत्कटं नानाध्यानककेसरं हरिकथा सम्बोधनाभूषितं लोके सज्जनशर्करैर्यहरहः पीपीयमानं बुधा याद्भारतपङ्कजं कलिमला प्रध्वंसि न श्रेयसे मूकं करोति वाचालं लङ्घयति गिरिं तत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् यं ब्रह्मा करुणीन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदे गायन्ति यं सामगा ध्यानावस्थितदर्शनेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनो यस्यान्तं न विदुःसुरा
Vidusura-asura.
देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः देवाय तस्मै नमः
Hari Om. Hari Om. So we are studying chapter 8, Akshara Brahma Yoga, the yoga of the imperishable truth. And Bhagavan says that those who worship me with their goal as liberation come to know me as the Paramam Aksharam, the absolute imperishable Brahman. The Puranas and also in the Atharva Veda, there is a mention of 14 lokas. 7 of them are the lower lokas and 7 of them the higher lokas. The higher lokas are Bhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha, Mahaha, Janaha, Tapaha, and Satya. Satya Loka is the Brahma Loka or the Adidaiva Loka. We have seen about the lokas earlier also. Okay, we won't spend time on that right now. And we briefly saw last time that the various lokas perish in stages. And finally, even the Satya Loka or the Brahma Loka also perishes. To give an example, when the kurta or shirt that I'm wearing, that perishes, the cloth remains. When the cloth perishes, the thread remains. When the thread perishes, the cotton remains. Finally, the cotton also disintegrates completely. Mountains remain when boulders crumble. But ultimately, the mountains also perish. Like the Aravalis, right? It's almost it used to be amongst the world's tallest of mountains. But now the Aravalis are almost, merging with the plains. So everything that is part of creation, everything that is a manifestation of that Paramam Aksharam, all of it perishes at some point in time or the other. The Brahman is the only absolute imperishable. And Bhagavan says that the worshippers come to know what? Aksharam Brahma Paramam. And they also come to know, in addition to that, in addition to Aksharam Param Brahmam, they also come to know, number one, the ceaseless pure presence of this Brahman, the consciousness, as the I principle that expresses within elements of creation as Swabhava. They also come to know that glorious action is that which is performed as an offering that nourishes all beings and objects. Visarga, offering. They also come to know that whatever is experienced through the senses are what the worshipper sees as perishable. The Adi Bhutam. And the first concretized version of the Supreme Brahman, of the pure consciousness. The Adi Daivatam. And the inspirer, the enabler, the performer, the presiding officer or the presider, and the result giver of all worship, of all yajna, the Adi Yajna. They come to know all of these. And when we worship the Lord in this format, through this coming to know, through this knowledge, in this manner, the heart is tuned to Him in love and the brain is tuned to Him in respect. Mat Chittaha and Mat Paraha. This then leads to liberation, which could be either of two kinds, Jivan Mukti or Krama Mukti. Both of these are aspects of being liberated while the person is alive in this world, living in this world, in this body, mind and intellect. And what happens to this person who has already become liberated, who is a Jivan Mukta, and then leaves the body? What happens to such a person? That Bhagavan continues in the 5th verse.
अन्तकाले च मामेव
antakaale cha mameva
स्मरन् मुक्त्वा कलिवरम्
smaran muktva kalevaram
यप्रयाति समद्भावम्
yaprayati samadbhavam
याति नास्त्यत्र संशयः
yati nastyatra samshayah.
अन्तकाले च मामेव स्मरन् मुक्त्वा कलिवरम् यप्रयाति समद्भावम् याति नास्त्यत्र संशयः.
Antakale, at the last moment for the body, the mind and the intellect are still functioning, but they are not under control. Though they are still functioning, they are not under control. At that last antakale of the body, smaran, remembering, mameva, me only, me alone, cha muktva kalevaram, and leaving the body. So, at the last moment of the body, when the mind and intellect are still functioning but not under control, remembering me alone, which means remembering nothing else, and leaving the body. So Arjuna's last question, question 7, that was, what manner does one remember Bhagavan in the end? And Bhagavan's answer is, remembering me alone and leaving the body, with no other thought. That is Bhagavan's answer. Since Bhagavan is saying me alone, it implies that the person should not be remembering anything else. And with this we deduce that he is referring to the Sopadika, the Saguna Brahman, not the Nirupadika or the Nirguna Brahman. That is what he is referring to, because he is comparing with all other aspects, me alone, which means nothing else. What is comparable with everything else? That is the Sopadika, the one with the form. At Antakala, whatever happens just happens. One has absolutely no control over it. And if one has to intuitively and instinctively remember any form of Bhagavan, then one ought to have practiced remembering that form during the life. So Bhagavan says, Yak prayati, one who goes forth, prayati, goes forth in this manner. Goes forth meaning leaves the body in this manner. Sayati, that person attains madbhavam, my being. So this person attains my being if the person lives in that manner. In whatever form this person meditates upon me, he or she attains that very form. Na asti samshayam or samshayaha atra. There is no doubt in this. So Bhagavan says, doubtlessly, this person attains my being. Now, the last thought is dependent upon the way one has lived life. That thought, that last thought, is an indicator of the future. It is not something that determines the future. It's not a determiner. The determiner is the way one has lived the entire life. The indicator is that last thought. Thus, Bhagavan's answer to the 7th question of Arjuna is, this person, O Arjuna, this person remembers me alone in the end by the power of his remembrance during life. What a beautiful statement. He remembers me alone in the end by the power of remembrance during life. And then he continues in verse 6.
Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam
Yam yam vapi sapsmaran bhavam
yajatyante kalivaram
yajatyante kalevaram
tam tamevaiti kaunteya
tam tamevaiti kaunteya
sada tadbhava bhavitaha
sada tadbhava bhavitaha.
Yam yam vapi smaran bhavam tyajatyanti kalivaram tam tamevaiti kaunteya sada tadbhava bhavitaha.
Yam, yam means which. Which, yam, yam. Which means whatever. Smaran, remembering. Tyajat, leaving, leaves. And tyajatyante, meaning leaves at the very end. Leaves what at the very end? Kalevaram. Kalevaram means body. Tam tamevaiti. Tam, to that. Tam is coming again, to that. To that and to that only. Tam tamevaiti. Constantly, sada, bhavitaha, entertaining, has entertained always. Tad bhava, that thought. So whatever idea or object or thought that person has at the time of leaving, why? Because that person has entertained that during the course of the life also. That is why that thought comes during leaving. We just saw that in the previous verse. That alone and that alone, that only he or she reaches. Because that person has entertained that thought throughout. Smaran is something that one remembers. When its meaning of smaran is what one remembers automatically. It just comes instinctively. It just comes intuitively. By thinking about or being tuned to a thought or an approach through the life of a human being, the person makes it possible for that same thought to be there at the end. See, we all know that, right? All of us human beings, we are accustomed to exclamations in various situations. We make these exclamations. We can say, oh, damn. Or we can say, oh, God. Or we can say, Krishna. Over a period of time, it comes to us naturally. If we say, oh, damn will come to us naturally. If we say Krishna, Krishna will come to us naturally. At the end also. So what should we do? Given this, Bhagavan continues in the next verse.
Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu
Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu
mamanusmara yudhya cha
mamanusmara yudhya cha
mayyarpitamano buddhihi
mayyarpitamano buddhihi
Mame vaishyasya samshayam
Mame vaishyasya samshayam
Tasmat sarveshu kaleshu Mamanusmara yudhya cha Mayyarpitamano buddhihi Mame vaishyasya samshayam.
One of the most beautiful and important verses of Bhagavad Gita. So Bhagavan says, Tasmad, therefore, this being the fact. What being the fact? The fact that whatever thought one has at the time of leaving the body, the person reaches that destination, that being the fact. Bhagavan says, Sarveshu Kaleshu, because that is the fact, at every moment in your life, Sarveshu Kaleshu, at all time, at every time, Ma Manusmara, remember me. And Yudhyacha, he adds that. Remember me and not just remember me and sit down. Yudhyacha. In this case, he is telling Arjuna, fight, Arjuna. Yudhyacha and fight. The message for us is perform our duties. Whatever battle we have in life, perform that. Perform our duties. So therefore, this being the fact, O Arjuna, Sarveshu Kaleshu Ma Manusmara Yudhyacha. At every time, in every moment of your life, remember me and perform your duties. Bhagavan, what are you saying? If I remember you at all times, then how will I go about my business in life? Remember verse 6.5, verse 5 of chapter 6. Bhagavan said, Uddharet Atmanam Atmanam. Lift yourself by yourself. we have to practice. That is the only way. We have to try and do that. Exactly like that, replacing the "Oh damn" with Krishna or "Oh God." Remember me when doing your duties, and perform your duties remembering me. In and through your duties, forget me not. Sri Vedanta Desika was an Indian philosopher, mathematician, and guru. And he said that every human being, everyone, every being actually, at some time or the other, has to learn. What does the person have to learn? Number one, that he or she is not this body, but the soul within. The soul belongs to and is controlled by Sriman Narayana. The third thing is that the ultimate goal of life is to seek release from the cycle of birth and death, from samsara. And to achieve this goal, one must surrender to Bhagwan, to Ishvara. And when one does this, Vedanta Desika says, one becomes a prapanna. Prapanna, that is one who has formally placed the soul at the disposal of the Supreme Being. So this person from a bubukshu. Bubukshu means one who is seeking the pleasures of the samsaric life, the pleasures of the worldly life. That is a bubukshu. From that, the person becomes a mumukshu. Remember mumukshutva of the Samadhi Shakta Sampatti, the last Sampatti, mumukshu. Mumukshu is an aspirant for liberation. And remember, Bhagavan said in the beginning, what did he say? One who seeks me with the goal of liberation. So you have to be a mumukshu for all of this, which means you have to have started from the beginning. Remember, Bhagavan started from the very beginning. You are performing karma anyway. You as a human being cannot help but perform karma. You have to act. There's no other choice. Bring that yoga element into that karma. Make it karma yoga. What is the yoga element? Ishwararpana buddhi, prasada buddhi. When you do that, you get chitta shuddhi, which is purity of the mind. When you have purity of the mind, you are able to have chitta ekagrata, which is focus. When you are able to have chitta ekagrata, you are able to meditate. When you are able to meditate, you start thinking about one aspect, the Brahman, Om. And finally, that is Savikalpa. And then finally, you are with no thought. So to come to this stage, to come to become a mumukshu, you go through all of that process. That's the beauty of Bhagavad Gita. It tells us how to live life in such a manner that ultimately we get you. This mumukshu. Such a person is able to remember me, to remember God at all times. The pulls and the counter pulls of the worldly life, they impact this person exactly the same way. See, as I'm saying this, or even the first time when I was listening to this and reading to this, I thought the pulls and the counter pulls of life do not impact this person, is what was going to come. No, it impacts this person exactly the same manner in which it impacts anyone else in the world. However, this mumukshu, having controlled the senses and the mind intellect, having that achieved that pedestal of being a yoga rudha, having climbed the pinnacle of yoga, and being able to easily rein in the mind and the intellect, this person, through constant vigilance, is able to stay on the chosen path, is able to remember God while doing anything and everything, while performing all the duties. And when one practices this over a period of time, and Bhagavan in the next verse, which we will do in the next satsang, Bhagavan himself talks about it, abhyasa. When one practices this over a period of time, it comes natural to the person. In one of my early visits to Haridwar, we stayed in an ashram, where the ashramites suffixed Ram to every sentence or every statement. Whatever they said, in the end, there would be Ram. For example, if they're serving food to you, they will say Roti Ram, Dal Ram. That's what it used to come naturally to them. And when a person is like this, naturally thinking about him, whatever one is doing, then Bhagavan says, Mayarpita manobuddhihi, with the mind and intellect absorbed in me, Mamevaishyasya samshayam, you shall come to me alone, and there is no doubt about this. See, the mind is called a monkey mind. Once a qualified and accomplished student asked his teacher to give him a mantra that would then enable him to do whatever he wanted to do. And the guru, once a student reaches a certain level, the guru cannot say no. Once you qualify for your degree, the university has to give you the degree certificate. They can't say no once you have qualified. If you have not qualified, they can say no. But once you have qualified, there is no choice. They have to give. My daughter got her degree yesterday. So the guru has to give. And sometimes if the student is extremely accomplished, the guru has to give what the student wants. So the guru says, okay, I'll give you. You want this mantra, I'll give you. But you are an accomplished person. Please, please, please use it very, very carefully. Be extremely careful. Because with this mantra, when you recite it, a Bhudam will come. And the Bhudam will do whatever you want it to do. You give the command, it will execute. But remember one thing, this genie, it's like that Aladdin ka genie, okay? This genie, once it has come, it will not go away. And if you do not give it something task to do, it will eat you up. So be very careful. So the student is very happy, he takes the mantra, learns it and runs back home, but extremely excited to use it. So the minute he reaches home, recites the mantra. The Bhudam appears, the genie appears. And what does the genie say? Genie says, give me work, or I'm going to eat you up. So the guru said, no, that you have to give it, you have to keep it busy. So the student says, so what, big problem, there's nothing, prepare me a very nice meal. So the student is thinking that he's going to now go and start preparing and it will take a few hours. Poof, the genie, it's a Bhudam. The next second, there is a beautiful 4-course meal laid out in front of him. And the Bhudam says, give me work, or else I'll eat you up. This student can't even eat the meal. He has to give the work. So he says, okay, go build me a nice house. Again, it will take a few months to build a nice house, let me do my other work. Poof, the house is there. Give me work, or I'm going to eat you up. So this continues. After some time, the student is exasperated, completely disturbed, afraid. What's going on here? I'm asking for things. I don't even have time to enjoy that thing. This Bhudam is on my neck and he's going to eat me up. So he runs to the guru. Somehow or the other manages to stay ahead. The Bhudam in hot pursuit. The genie in hot pursuit reaches the guru and says, Guruji, please save me. Guruji says, see, when the student is with the guru, the genie can't do anything. So Guruji says, I told you, I asked you to be careful. You didn't listen to me. Anyway, there's only one solution now. And that solution is ask the genie to build an endless ladder. One step is done, build the next step. Once that is done, you build the third step and so on. And go on building endlessly. And as you build it, keep climbing it. So it's an endless loop of work for the genie. And thus the student is saved. Our mind intellect is this Bhudam or this genie. That is what it is. It will eat us up if we do not give it work. One work after another work, after another work, after another. If we don't give it work, if we don't keep our mind intellect busy, it will eat us up. And what is the solution that Bhagavan gives? Mayarpita manobuddhihi ma manusmara yudhyacha. With the mind intellect absorbed in me, remember me and perform your duties. Please note that the Bhagavan is not saying be in samadhi and do nothing. Bhagavan never says do nothing. Bhagavan never says do not act. Bhagavan says act with the spirit of yoga and go on acting. That is what he says. The effortlessness and the actionlessness happen on their own. Remember, Savikalpa Samadhi requires tremendous amount of effort. But once you become a Savikalpa Samadhi, you reach that state, then Nirvikalpa Samadhi in due course of time happens on its own. So Bhagavan says, remember me doing your duties, perform your duties remembering me. In the Vishnu Sahasranama, the reference is to 1,000 names of Lord Vishnu. And when the shloka starts, it says, Yasya smarana matrena janma samsara bandhanat. By mere remembrance, Yasya smarana matrena, by mere remembrance of him, one is freed from the bondage of samsara, janma samsara bandhanat, of this birth and transmigration that keeps happening. One is freed of that. And how does that happen? Not necessarily that it will happen on its own. In chapter 18, we will come to it in due course of time, verse 56, Bhagavan uses two terms. Sada kurvanaha, ever engaged in your duty. Sada mad vyapashrayaha, always taking refuge in me. So this is exactly what Bhagavan has said now. So remember, we said chapter 18 is a revision at the end. So this is what Bhagavan is revising at that time. And then he adds in chapter 18, Mat prasadad, by my grace. That is how it happens. Through his grace. Those who are always engaged in performing their duty, remembering him throughout, they earn his grace. Grace is something that even after that we earn after putting in 100% of our effort. After we have given it all, then grace comes. There's a beautiful story that my Guruji recites. He says that, for example, grace marks that are given to a student. Like I have got grace marks, so I know what it is, right? So there are 3 marks that you need to pass the exam. And the teacher, you are a good student. So the teacher is wanting to help you. See here, by being a good student, by being well behaved in the class, by being overall a good student, you are making the teacher wanting to help you. So the teacher looks for ways and means to give you, okay, in this section, I'll give half a mark. In section 2, maybe 1 mark. Then where do I need another 1.5 marks. So the teacher will go through the entire paper once more. Remember, the teacher is correcting another 50 papers. So the teacher will go through point by point, searching the paper. Where can I, help Srini Raghavan and help him pass? Bhagavan is like that. When we have done it, when we have given it all, he will go out of his way to bless us with his grace. And he will somehow or the other, he will make sure that he takes it upon himself to make sure that we attain the highest abode. Smarana is to remember. Anusmarana is to go on remembering continuously. Remember again and again and again and again and again. So let us remember him through our bhajans that we are going to sing today. Today we said we will shorten it. The main objective is, there is so much going on. See, Bhagavan, what did he say? Mamanusmara yudhyacha. We are currently, the humanity is currently going through this yuddha. With what? With coronavirus, with COVID. So as we go through this fight with war, this battle with COVID, let's remember Bhagavan through this bhajan, after this satsang, even after that, continuously. And for now, let's dedicate it to all our friends and family who are going through this struggle and to the whole of humanity. And going forward also, let's remember this. Ma manusmara yudhyacha. Remember me while performing your work and perform your work remembering me all the time. Hari Om. We will recite the verses, invocation prayer, then bhajan.
Closing prayers.
Sorry, closing prayer. Thank you. See, Sarika, thanks to Sarika. See, one of the things is when I was practicing my bhajan, one of the aspects in bhajan is the bear that Sabri gives to Bhagwan. Okay, so I was teaching it. Actually, today I'm not going to. The surprise is that I'm not going to lead the bhajan. There are Rama and Lakshmana here who are going to lead the bhajan. So they were saying instead of bear, they were saying bear. Okay, bear in English is bhalu. Bear in Hindi is dushmani. Okay, वो तो bear तो सबरी ने नहीं खिलाया था. Bear दुर्योधन ने सबको खिलाया था. So even small little words here and there can mean something. A little pronunciation twitch can make a world of a difference in meaning. So Sarika, amazing Sarika, thank you very much for keeping us in line with all the Sanskrit words. That's a tremendous help. And when we on a day-to-day basis recite shloka, we know kahin na kahin to we'll make mistake. So we must make sure that we, tell Bhagavan that please ignore my mistakes, and he will give us that grace. He'll give us that grace where even if we have made that mistake, he will go out of the way to take it in the right manner.
Yeah, very true.
So, concluding prayers. Thank you.
So verses 5 to 7, chapter 8. Antakale cha mamiva smaran muktva kalivaram yaprayati samadbhavam yati nastyatra samshayah yam yam vapi karan bhavam rajatyanti kalivaram tam evai kaunteya sada tadbhava bhavitah tasmat sarveshu bhayeshu mamanusmara mayyarpita mano buddhi mame vaishyasya samshaya. Om asato ma satkamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya yogamaya Om Purnamidam
Purnamudachyate
Namaya Nami Bhavashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Yo Namaha Hari Om.
Hari Om, thank you. We will straight away go to bhajan. And my mother is going to start, not me. And the request is that bhajan we sing like bhajan. We recite one verse, whoever is leading, all of us can repeat after the leader. And in this, if you can all switch on your videos and unmute yourself, that would be very nice. If the connection is poor, then switch off your video. Otherwise, please do unmute yourself. So I'm reversing the camera so that you can see my parents and my sister are there. Let's start with our bhajan.
It's invocation to Lord Sri Krishna with a sloka from Swami Desika. Prabhu Nirakritavati daye nigama saudagi vashriya vipashida vigidaya jagati gidaya means Bhagavad Gita is the light lit up in the mansion of Vedas by Sri Krishna to dispel the darkness in the world.
Thank you. That was not the bhajan, that was a sloka.
Ramana Giridhari Govinda
Vanamali Radha Ramana Giridhari Govinda
Nilamega Sundara Narayana Govinda
Nilamega Sundara Narayana Govinda
ಹೃದಯ ಮಂದಾರ ಭಾನುಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ
ಭಕ್ತ ಹೃದಯ ಮಂದಾರ ಭಾನುಕೋಟಿ ಸುಂದರ
ನಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ
ನಂದನಂದ ಗೋಪವೃಂದ ನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ
ನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ
ನಾರಾಯಣ
ನಾರಾಯಣ
ನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಾರಾಯಣ 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 ಗೋವಿಂದ
ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಾರಾಯಣ 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 ಗೋವಿಂದ ಹರಿನಾರಾಯಣ ಗೋವಿಂದ ವನಮಾಲಿ ರಾಧಾ ರಮಣ ಗಿರಿಧಾರಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ ವನಮಾಲಿ ರಾಧಾ ರಮಣ ಗಿರಿಧಾರಿ ಗೋವಿಂದ.
Thank you. One more, okay.
नाचो नंद लाला स्मित स्मित सुंदर मुखारविंद नाचो नंद लाला मेरा माई को प्यारा स्मित स्मित सुंदर मुखारविंद नाचो नंदलाला मेरा माई को प्यारा नंदलाला यदु नंदलाला वृंदावन गोविंदलाला
नंदलाला यदु नंदलाला
वृंदावन गोविंदलाला नंदलाला यदु नंदलाला रास विलास नंदलाला नंदलाला यदु नंदलाला रास विलास नंदलाला यदु नंदलाला रास विलास नंदलाला स्मित स्मित सुंदर मुखारविंद नाचो नंदलाला मेरा माई को प्यारा मेरा माई को प्यारा.
Thank you. Thank you. Can I now request Anupama?
Sure, Srini. Just a second. I will just put in the chat the lines that you can sing along. You can hear me?
Yes, we can hear you well.
Okay, sure. So you can sing along these few lines after each stanzas. So this is all about, worshipping Krishna in his baby form. So yeah, we'll start. Krishna Krishna Mukunda Janardana Krishna Govinda Narayana Hare Achyutananda Govinda Madhava Sachidananda Narayana Hare Krishna Krishna Mukunda Janardana Krishna Govinda Narayana Hare Achyutananda Govinda Madhava Sachidananda Narayana Hare Gopikesha Hare Nanda Nandana Gopabala Namaste Janardana Dinabandho Nami Putra Lokavum Krishna Deva Guru Vayurishwara Krishna Krishna Mukunda Janardana Krishna Govinda Narayana Hare Achyutananda Govinda Madhava Sachidananda Narayana Hare നാവിൽ നിത്യം വിളങ്ങേണം നിന്നുടെ തിരുനാമങ്ങൾ നാരായണ ഹരേ മർത്തൃനന്മയ്ക്കുതകുമാരാകണം മണിവർണ്ണാനിൻ ലീലാവിലാസങ്ങൾ കൃഷ്ണ കൃഷ്ണ മുകുന്ദ ജനാർദ്ദന കൃഷ്ണ ഗോവിന്ദ നാരായണ ഹരേ അച്യുതാനന്ദ ഗോവിന്ദ മാധവ സച്ചിദാനന്ദ നാരായണ ഹരേ മുരളി വിലോചന മായ കാട്ടുന്ന മായാ മഹേശ്വര വെണ്ണ ഉണ്ണുന്ന അമ്പാടി പൈതലേ കണ്ണനുണ്ണി നമസ്തേ ജനാർദ്ദന കൃഷ്ണ കൃഷ്ണ മുകുന്ദ ജനാർദ്ദന കൃഷ്ണ ഗോവിന്ദ നാരായണ ഹരേ അച്യുതാനന്ദ ഗോവിന്ദ മാധവ സച്ചിദാനന്ദ നാരായണ ഹരേ വേണുബൂതുന്ന ദേവകി നന്ദന വെള്ളി മിന്നൽ ചിരി തൂകുമീശ്വര കണി കാണാൻ പൂലക്കാലേ വന്നു ഞാൻ കനി പോലും മുരാരീപുരേശ്വര കൃഷ്ണ കൃഷ്ണ മുകുന്ദ ജനാർദ്ദന കൃഷ്ണ ഗോവിന്ദ നാരായണ ഹരേ അച്യുതാനന്ദ ഗോവിന്ദ മാധവ സച്ചിദാനന്ദ നാരായണ ഹരേ കൃഷ്ണ കൃഷ്ണ മുകുന്ദ ജനാർദ്ദന കൃഷ്ണ ഗോവിന്ദ നാരായണ ഹരേ അച്യുതാനന്ദ ഗോവിന്ദ മാധവ സച്ചിദാനന്ദ നാരായണ ഹരേ.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Very nice.
Yeah, very nice bhajan. And thank you for singing in Malayalam. I'd asked my mother if she can do a Tamil bhajan, but she couldn't find one. Nice that you sang in Malayalam. Okay, we'll request Subha to, she had volunteered. So I'm just requesting all the volunteers one by one.
Okay. Thank you. I don't know how to send the lyrics, but they are easy to follow. So I hope you'll do that. Okay. Shirabhisayana Narayana Shirabhisayana Narayana Sri Lakshmi Ramana Narayana Sri Lakshmi Ramana Narayana Narayana Hari Narayana 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 Narahari Rupa Narayana Narahari Rupa Narayana Vaikuntavasa Narayana Vaikuntavasa Narayana Vaidehi Ramana Narayana Vaidehi Ramana Narayana Hari Narayana Narayana Hari Narayana Jana Paripala Narayana Nata परिपाल नारायण क्षीराभिशयन नारायण क्षीराभिशयन नारायण श्रीलक्ष्मीरमण नारायण श्रीलक्ष्मीरमण नारायण हरि नारायण नारायण हरि रूपा नारायण हरि रूपा नारायण वैकुंठवास नारायण वैकुंठवास नारायण वैदेही मोहन नारायण वैदेही मोहन नारायण नारायण हरि नारायण 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 परिपाल नारायण नतजन परिपाल नारायण क्षीराब्धिशयन नारायण
Shrirabhicharan Narayana. Thank you.
Very nice.
Narayana.
Shri Lakshmi Ramana Narayana. Thank you so much, Subha.
My
I'm
pleasure.
now requesting
Very
Amrita
nice.
to, yeah, very, very nice bhajan. Hi, Amrita.
Hi. Hi, everyone. Okay. Gokula Bala Gopala
Gokula Bala Gopala
Govardhana Dharaya Dubala
Govardhana Haraya Dupala
Gopastri Janamanasa Chora
Gopastri Janmanasa Chora
Gopakumara Shri Govinda
Gopakumara Shri Govinda
Sridhara Madhava Keshava Krishna
Sridhara Madhava Keshava Krishna
Pitambaradhara Govinda
Sridhara Govinda
Sarvachara Jivananda Chatru Vinashaka Shri Govinda
Vinayaka Shri Govinda
Gokula Bala Gopala
Gokula Bala Gopala
Kamsa Vimardhana Kalinganardhana
Kamsa Vimardhana Kalinganardhana
Kamaliyana Govinda
Kamaliyana Govinda
Mohana Murali Nada Vinoda
Mohana Murali
Radha Lola Shri Govinda
Radha Lola Shri Govinda
Gokula Bala
Govinda
Govardhana Dharaya Dubala Gopastri Janamanasa Chora Gopakumara Shri Govinda Gokula Bala
Very, very nice.
Very
Amrita.
nice.
Thank you. Very, very
Very
nice.
nice.
Requesting Amrapali to sing her bhajan. She didn't put in the group, but she texted me today.
Yeah, I'm very new to the group, you know. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, so, and you know, we all are going through tough times. So am I, you know, my family has gone through a bit of personal misfortune
Crisis.
last week. So I was not very sure if I want to sing, but you know, it's the peace of everybody. And I'm not a singer like you girls. You're wonderful, all of you. So just excuse me if I'm wrong anywhere. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Shri Krishna Gopal Hare Murari, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva, Shri Krishna Govind Hare Murari, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva. Can you follow it?
Yeah, yes, we can. Shri Krishna Govinda
Govinda Hare Murari, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva. Anybody else wants to take the lead and sing?
There is a couplet
Thank
on
you
this
so
line.
much.
I can. Sorry, Srini. There's a wonderful one. I can continue. I know
Yes.
the next lines.
Please,
Please
please do.
do.
It
Please
goes like
do.
this.
Thank you so much.
Keshavam Krishna Damodaram.
No, that is another one. If somebody else is singing, I guess that song. So
No problem.
we can continue with this song only. Hey, continue with the same song now. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva,
Shri Krishna Govinda
Hare Murari, He Nath Narayan Vasudeva. ठाकुर हमारे प्राण से प्यारे, ठाकुर हमारे प्राण से प्यारे, तुम हो हमारे, हम हैं तुम्हारे, हे नाथ श्री कृष्ण हरे मुरारी. Please carry on.
You have to pause so that we can repeat after you.
All right, okay. You know, my first time, so I don't know how it works exactly.
Continue till you finish. Yeah.
No, please carry on. Somebody else wanted to take over, I guess. You know, please carry on. Hari bol, 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 Hari bol. Please
Thank
continue
you.
now.
Thank you so much, Amrapali. Thank you. That was beautiful.
Thank you.
So I'm being joined by the leaders. There is Ram and Lakshman, Rama and Lakshmana.
Lovely.
They are mask utaro na? Kaise gaoge mask ke saath? They are going to lead the next bhajan. This is your favorite Kushagra. It's coming up.
Thank you.
Let's start.
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरम्
Achyutam Keshavam Damodaram
Ram Narayan
Janaki Vallabham
Achyutam Keshavam Krishna Damodaram
अच्युतं केशवं
केशवं
कृष्ण
कृष्णदामोदरं
राम नारायणं
नारायणं
जानकी वल्लभं
भगवान आते नहीं
कौन
कौन
कहते हैं
कहते
भगवान
भगवान
आते
आते
नहीं
नहीं तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते
कौन
नहीं
कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं
हम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते
बुलाते नहीं
हम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते
अच्युतम
नहीं
हम
कृष्ण
मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं
कृष्ण दामोदरम
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण
कृष्ण
दामोदरं
दामोदरम
नारायणं जानकी
वल्लभम
राम नारायणं जानकी
जानकी
वल्लभं
वल्लभम
केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्
वल्लभम
अच्युतं केशवं
कृष्ण दामोदरम
राम
नारायणं वल्लभम
कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं
कौन कहते हैं भगवान
खाते नहीं
वेद शबरी के
जैसे
कौन
खिलाते
कहते हैं
नहीं
भगवान खाते नहीं
वीर
शबरी के
जैसे
फिर
खिलाते
सबकी
नहीं
जैसे खिलाते
खिलाते नहीं
बेर सबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं
अच्युतं
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं रामनारायणं
जानकी
वल्लभं
राम नारायण
नारायणं
जानकी वल्लभ
वल्लभम्
केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं राम नारायणं जानकी
वल्लभम्
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं राम नारायण
नारायणं
जानकी
वासुदेवं
वल्लभम्
कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं
कौन कहते हैं भगवान
भगवान
सोते
सोते
नहीं
कहते हैं भगवान सोते नहीं
कौन कहते हैं भगवान
भगवान
सोते
सोते
नहीं
नहीं
यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं
माँ यशोदा
यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं
यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते
सुलाते नहीं
माँ यशोदा के जैसे सुलाते नहीं अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं
नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्
राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं राम नारायणं जानकी
वल्लभम्
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं राम नारायणं जानकी
वल्लभम्
कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं
कौन कहते हैं भगवान नाचते नहीं
कहते भगवान नाचते नहीं
कौन कहते हैं
भगवान नाचते नहीं
गोपियों के तरह हम नचाते नहीं
गोपियों के तरह हम नचाते
नहीं
गोपियों के तरह हम नचाते नहीं
गोपियों की तरह हम नचाते नहीं
केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं
केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं
राम नारायण
राम नारायणं जानकी
वल्लभम्
केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं राम नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्ण दामोदरं राम नारायणं जानकी
वल्लभम्
तं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्
नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्
रामनारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्
नारायणं जानकी वल्लभम्
रामनारायणं जानकी
वल्लभम्
श्री कृष्ण परमात्मने नमः
श्री कृष्ण परमात्मने नमः Thank you.
Wow, lovely, very nice.
That was really nice. Anyone else? I think I covered everyone who volunteered. If anyone else wants to sing now, we have a little bit more time.
I think somebody wanted to sing this Achyutam song and I stopped him. I'm really sorry for that.
I think you stopped him because these kids were going to sing, so it's okay.
Yeah.
I think Kushagra may have missed it. I had actually put in the group. I think he dropped out. Anyone else has any bhajan?
Sarika was also singing, right?
Sarika, hey, Sarika. Thank you, Anupama. Why are you quiet?
I thought we'll wait for everyone to finish. Okay, so I'm going to sing Madhurashtakam, and I'll sing the last line of every verse twice so that we can all repeat. Also, it's raining really heavily here, so I'm not sure if I will face some network issues.
Wow.
Adharam madhuram vadanam madhuram nayanam madhuram hasitam madhuram hridayam madhuram gamanam madhuram madhuradipate rachitam Asharam madhuram shariram madhuram vasanam madhuram lalitam madhuram chalitam madhuram bhramitam madhuram madhuradipatilam madhuram madhuradipatilam Venur madhura madhura panir madhura padau madhura nrityam madhura
Madhuram Madhurantipate
madhuradipate ratilam geetam madhuram Tam madhuram suktam madhuram madhuram
Madhurantipate
Karanam madhuram Haranam madhuram Amitam madhuram
Madhuram Antipate Akilam Madhuram
Madhuradipate Akhilam Madhuram Madhura
Madhura
Madhura Vichi Madhura Salilam Madhuram Amalam
Madhuram
Madhuradipate Madhuradipate Madhura Madhura Yuktam Madhuram Yuktam Madhuram Vrishtam Madhuram Chishtam Madhuram मधुराधिपतिरखिलं मधुरं रूपा मधुरा षष्टिर्मधुरा सृष्टिर्मधुरा गलितं मधुरं गलितं मधुरं अधिपतिरखिलं
मधुरम
अधिपतिरखिलं
मधुरम Thank you. Very, very nice. It's a lovely bhajan. I think Tanuja is saying she's going to. No, you're on mute, Tanuja.
Shall I try a few lines?
Yes, please. Please do. Please do.
मनोबुद्धि अहंकार चित्तानि नाहं न च श्रोत जिह्वे न च घ्राण नेत्रे न च व्योम भूमि न तेजो न वायु चिदानंद रूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् न च प्राण संज्ञो न वै पंचवायु न वा सप्त धातु न वा पंचकोश न वा पाणिपादं न चोपस्थ पायु चिदानंद रूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् न मे द्वेष रागो न मे लोभ मोहो मदो नैव मेनैव मात्सर्य भाव न धर्मो न चार्थो न कामो न मोक्ष चिदानंद रूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् न पुण्यं न पापं न सौख्यं न दुःखं न मन्त्रो न तीर्थं न वेदा न यज्ञ अहं भोजनं नैव भोज्यं न भोक्ता चिदानंद रूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् न मृत्युर्न शंका न मे जाति भेद पिता नैव मेनैव माता न जन्म न बन्धु न मित्रं गुरुर्नैव शिष्यं चिदानंद रूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम् अहं निर्विकल्पो निराकार रूपो विभुत्वा च सर्वत्र सर्वेन्द्रियाणां न चासङ्गतनैव मुक्तिर्न मेय चिदानंद रूप शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Tanuja. That was really nice.
Very nice, Tanuja. I heard this from Sadhguru and I really love that. Thank you.
My mother's singing. Karomi Narayana Pujanam Sada Vadami Narayana Nama Nirmalam Swaramai Narayana Matvamangalam Namami Narayana Pada Pankajam Karomi Narayana Pujanam Sada Vadami Narayana Nama Nirmalam Smarami Narayana Tattvamayam Chintayami Harimeva Santatam Manda Manda Hasisananam Nanda Gopatanayam Paratparam
नारदादि मुनिवृन्द वन्दितं हे गोपालक हे कृपाजलनिधे हे सिन्धुकन्यापते हे कंसान्दक हे गजेन्द्र करुणा पालिन हे माधव हे रामानुज हे जगत्रय गुरो हे पुंडरीकाक्ष मां हे गोपी जननाथ पालय परं जानामि न त्वां विना। हनुमान चालीसा। हनुमान चालीसा।
Huh?
Hanuman Chalisa.
She's saying I can sing Hanuman Chalisa.
Wow,
Yes,
that will be
because all of
lovely.
us will do together.
We can
Yes.
quickly, all of us can sing
Can all
Hanuman
do
Chalisa
together.
and we can finish with that. Om Shri Guru Charana Saroj Raja Nij Mana Mukura Sudhari Bharanau Raghuvar Bimal Jasu Jodaya Kapalachari Buddhihina Tanu Janike Sumiro Pavan Kumara Bala Buddhi Vidya Dehu Mohi Harahu Kalesha Vikara जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय कपीसति लोक उजागर रामदूत अतुलित बल धामा अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी कंचन बरण बिराज सुभेशा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केशा हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा बिराजे कांधे मूंज जनेऊ साजे शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर काज करिबे को आतुर प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे को रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियहि दिखावा विकट रूप धरि संकट भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे रामचंद्र के काज सवारे आय संजीवन लखन जियाए श्री रघुवीर हर्षि उर लाए रघुपति कीनी बहुत बढ़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत सहस्र वदन तुम रोज सखावे श्रीपति कंठ लगावे सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीषा नारद शारद सहित अहिसा तेर दिक्पाल जहाते कवि कोविद कई सके कहाते तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीना राम मिलाए राजपद तुमरो मंत्र विभीषण माना लंकेश्वर भय सब जग जाना युग सहस्र योजन पर भानु लील्यो ताहि मधुर फल जानु प्रभु मुद्रिका मेलि मुख माहि जल दिलांगी गय अचरज नाही दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुमरे दुआरे तुम रखवारे को आज्ञा बिन पैसारे सब सुख लहै तुम्हारी शरण तुम रक्षक काहू को डरना अपन तेज समारो आपे तीनों लोक हाँकते कापे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे रोग हरे सब पीड़ा जपत निरंतर हनुमत बीड़ा संकट के हनुमान छुड़ावे मन क्रम वचन ध्यान जो लावे सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे आसुमित जीवन फल जुग परताप तुम्हारा है प्रसिद्ध जगत उजियारा साधु संत के तुम रखवारे असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता असवर दीन जानकी माता, राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा, अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता, राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा, तुम्हारे भजन राम को भावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे, अंत काल रघुवरपुर जाई, जहाँ जन्मी हरि भक्त कहा, और देवता चित्तन धरई, हनुमत तेहि सर्व सुख करई, संकट कटे मिटे सब पीड़ा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा, हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा रघुगुरुदेव की नाई, जो सत बार पाठ कर जोई, छूटहि बंदी महान, पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा, होय सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा, तुलसीदास सदा हरि चेरा, की जयनाथ हृदय माडे, की जयनाथ हृदय माडे, पवन तनय संकट हरण, मंगल मूर्ति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित, सुरभूप सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भाई सब संतन की जय। श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम, श्री राम जय राम जय जय राम।
श्रीनिवास गोविंद, श्री वेंकटेश गोविंद, गोविंद हरि गोविंद, गोकुल नंदन गोविंद, श्रीनिवास गोविंद, श्री वेंकटेश गोविंद, गोविंद हरि गोविंद, गोकुल नंदन गोविंद।
Thank you all. Even in Hanuman Chalisa it comes, Antakale Raghuvar Smaranya. Thank you all, wonderful satsang. Thank you very much. Next time onwards, we'll go back to full Bhagavad Gita. But this bhajan was awesome. May all the people who are, having COVID or family members, may they all get well very soon. May humanity win over this virus very soon. And like Bhagavan says, Ma Manusmara Yudhyacha. Thank you very much. Hari Om.